I struggled with day trading because I was wrong about the trend trading, and you are probably too. We are all told that the trend is our friend and we have to trade in the direction of the trend. But it felt like whenever I opened the charts, I saw the trend and I tried to trade it always failed. It was so embarrassing, like the market maker was waiting exactly for me and to hunt my stop loss, to take out my stop loss. And probably this is familiar to you as well, am I right? So basically, guys, if you have failed to trade the trend, it is not your fault. You are literally confused with the wrong information about day trading, especially trading the trend inside of the day. If you watch this video till the end, I will reveal all the secrets about trading the trend and trading the intraday trends that I have gathered over the last 7 years. But that's not all, guys. I'm gonna teach you my day trading strategy that is simple and it's easy to execute. So keep watching, guys. Hello folks, welcome back to OP Investing. This is Islam with you. Here we help everyone who has an extra 15 minutes a day to scale their trading to 6 or even 7 figures by trading a mechanical edge over the markets without any complex analysis or being glued to the charts. So make sure to subscribe, guys. First of all, folks, I want to talk with you about why looking at the trends is actually bad. Because do you have the situations when you just start looking for the trend, you just spot the trend and you try to trade it and suddenly the trend reverses? And that happens so many times that it feels even so absurd. Like it is like the market is hunting for your stop loss. This is exactly what was so popular like these days, kind of like the markets are hunting you for your stop loss. That is why you have to trade like a banks. Think logically. If you can see that there is a trend, if you can see that there's a clear trend with a probability of 99%, I can say that 99% of other people also can see that there's a clear trend, which means like in this game 99% of people lose and only 1% of people actually win all the back. That is the reason why if you can see the clear trend, probably that is too late. That means it's already gone. What we have to do instead is to look for the second stage of the market. And let's think logically. There are two states of the market when the price is trending either to the upside or to the downside, and there's actually the second stage between like two of them is when the price is ranging, when it's not trending, when it's not moving anywhere like with consistent impulses. And I'm going to tell you what is the difference between the trend and the range in a second. So basically, when the price is trending, you can see for the price to make a consistent pushes and pullbacks in one direction. So it means like if the price is making a consistent highs that are higher than the previous highs and consistent lows that are higher than the previous lows, that means that the price is in an uptrend. And the vice versa is true about the downtrend. If the price is making consistent lows which are lower than the previous low and the consistent lower highs, the highs which are lower than the previous highs, that means that the price is actually in a downtrend. So basically, if the price is doing neither of that, that means that the price is in the rangy market conditions. In the rangy market conditions, price might make the high, the low, and another high, which is kind of like the lower than this high, and then the low, which is higher than this low, and then the high, which is higher than the previous high, but the low is going to be lower than the previous low. So basically the price is just expanding a little bit and contracting a little bit. So it is going sideways. It is not going up or down at this case. So basically, guys, if you want to trade the trend, if you want to catch a real trend, that means you have to spot something that comes before the trend, and that is exactly the range. So to wrap up, guys, if you see a clear trend, probably with a probability of 90%, you're already late to trade the trend. So to trade the trend, actually, you have to look for the range, look for the compressed price action that is ready to explode either to the upside or to the downside. The second thing that we have to talk about is the time frame. That is exactly what rules which type of trader you're going to be. You can trade a daily time frame, guys. You can trade the daily time frame and you are going to be a short-term investor. But if you want to do the swing trading, you have to focus on the 4-hourly time frame. Like over here, you are going to hold your trades for weeks or even months. Over here, you are going to hold your trades for days, right? And if you want to be a day trader, when you take a trade and hold it within a day or maximum like 2 days, you have to focus on the 15-minute time frame, solely exactly on the 15-minute time frame, guys. So I'm a day trader, guys. That is why I focus on only on the 15-minute time frame. And to be honest, guys, there is actually the stages of the market that goes through the trend, through the range within 24 hours. Based on this knowledge, I was able to build what is called the OP investing methods right now. And let me tell you, there are two actually sessions, the London session and the New York sessions. During those two sessions, we've got most of the volatility. Most of the price action happens during those two sessions. So basically, there are two more sessions, which is the Sydney and the Tokyo session. So during the Sydney and Tokyo session, we have less liquidity, we have less movement of the price, and that is where the price is kind of gets compressed. It moves less, where the trend happens over here. That's why, guys, with my methods, I started spotting the first 4 hours of the Tokyo session as a reference point for trading the breakouts, aka by trading the breakout, we are trading the early trends. So guys, let me teach you actually the pattern that we trade, which is called the OP investing method number 1. There are 3 more methods. So basically, guys, we open any pair on the 15-minute time frame. Then we identify the first 4 hours of the Tokyo session. For that, I use this indicator, which is called the sessions, and the settings. Like you can see over here. I've turned it on the Tokyo session, which is from this is from 20 to midnight. So which gives us the first 4 hours of the Tokyo session. And as you can see over here, you already see that during the London session, we've got this trendy move to the downside. We've got this trendy move to the upside during the New York session. And later on, starting from the Sydney, somewhere around here, the price started ranging. And over here, you can see the price is quite rangy during our first 4 hours. And guys, this range is literally used to trade the breakout through this range. As you can see, later on, the price is breaking to the upside and coming back to retest our Asian range exactly during the London session. This is where we look for the trades. This is where the price actually gives us our entries, guys. So basically, we are drawing the Fib levels from the bottom to the top of the breakout. You can say that the breakout, that the retracement, the pullback is happening when you see a consecutive like bearish candles. As you can see over here, the price started pulling back to the downside, and over here you could have entered on the like 70% retracement level. This is our lovely level, and after that you see we've got some explosive movements during the London and New York sessions, and this trade solely gave us 15R. Of course, guys, I'm not saying that you will be able to trade and catch such trades every single day with it, because some days, but most of the times with the thing that is called the OP investing method number 1, like which is what I showed you right now, you can aim for 5R consistently. Over here, we've got another example, guys. This is our 4-hour range. Over here we do have the high. Over here we do have the low. So basically we are drawing the high, the maximum point of the price during the first 4 hours, and the minimum point. And after that, you see that the price is breaking out, and this green stripe shows that the London session is opening. Over here we are breaking to the upside and then coming back to retest our range, and boom, the price is giving us a beautiful 5-hour trade from the 80% retracement level, guys. So basically we look for our entries around the golden zone of the Fib levels, which is considered to be between 60 and 80% retracement level. So basically over here we've got the 7-hour trade from these, and I can show you like infinite amount of examples how this setup is working out over and over again, guys. So basically, guys, with this pattern you can trade the early trends, like when during a days we are getting some compressed price action, and one day it's like breaking out, and that might be the trend reversals as well, like on the longer term. Like you can see over here, we've got like 2 days bearish movement to the downside, and over here we've got the complete takeoff to the upside, reversal of the price. So this is why we trade the OP investing method number 1, and this is how it helps us. But folks, this is not it. Like this is not all of that, because we do have 3 more patterns. Like we have 4 OP investing patterns. For example, over here today we've got the OP investing method number 2 trade. This is when the price breaks out through our key range and retests the key level outside of the Asian range. Like for example, in this case, the price retested this key supply zone, the key demand zone, and the price reversed from here, and it's running already like 2R. Our target is 5R. By the way, I called out this in our free Discord and Telegram group. All the links will be in the description of the video. And guys, if you want to learn more about our trading methods, more about the OP investing methods, more about the three other methods, just there is going to be the link in the description of this video. Go through the website, fill up the form, and you will receive 1 hour long free training where I am breaking down all of our methods.